Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Motorists start to brace for higher prices at the pumps tomorrow. Major automobile products will go up by an average 4%, reversing last week's marginal decline. 87 and 90 gasoline will sell for $4.50 more per litre, bringing them to their highest ex-refinery price since 2004. Diesel and ultra-low sulfur diesel will also hit record highs, going up by $3.06. Kerosene will sell for $4.50 more. Propane will increase by 50 cents, while butane will cost $3.06 more. Gas prices have gained more than $40 per litre since the start of the year. Movements in the U.S. Gulf this week mainly impacted the increase. Meanwhile, crude prices today increased as OPEC delegates did not discuss excluding Russia from a global oil production pact due to increasing Western sanctions on Moscow. The Wall Street Journal reported on Tuesday that some OPEC members were exploring the idea of suspending Russia's participation in the alliance's oil production deal. This as Western sanctions and a partial European ban begin to undercut Moscow's ability to pump more oil. Brent crude settled up 69 cents to close at $116.29 a barrel. U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude gained 59 cents to close the session at $115.26 per barrel. The Planning Institute of Jamaica (TVJ) says currently it is not concerned about a recession for Jamaica. Director General of the TVJ, Dr. Wayne Henry, says while the downside risks are evident, there is nothing to support concerns about a recession.
And the risks we outline are evident, and so you are in an environment of risk and uncertainty, and we've highlighted those as potential in terms of, and you'll be speaking now to the downside issues. But we are not seeing, as we speak, to recession, no. So we would share the view of the IMF, of the BOJ, that at this point we are not seeing. The risks are evident, but we are not seeing in terms of projections now for recession. So you are still projected to grow. And for this fiscal year, the global growth, and you're hearing our projection, so that's a projection at this point.
Furniture manufacturer JFP has confirmed its first order in the United States for furniture production and outfitting. The company has been contracted by the Hyatt Place Newark Hotel in California to produce furnishings beginning in May. JFP says it is unable to share the value of the contract based on the agreement. The U.S. currency is being traded for an average $154.89. $124.42 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar and $196.20 for the pound. It's costing an average $167.99 for the euro. And to the stock market now, the JSE main index lost 1,216 points today, while the junior market index gained 35 points. Leading advances included Fosrich, Knoxford Express, First Rock Capital Holdings US dollar shares, Stanley Motor, and T-Tech. Main losers include Medical Disposables and Supplies, Sagicor Select Funds Manufacturing and Distribution, SSL Venture Capital Jamaica, JMMB Group 7.5% shares, and Honey Bun. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.